Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Kicks versus the Kia Sportage. We'll dive into what makes each of these popular SUVs unique, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. The Kicks is a subcompact SUV, generally more affordable, while the Sportage is a compact SUV, offering more space and power. Let's explore their key differences. When it comes to performance, these two SUVs offer distinct driving experiences. The Nissan Kicks is equipped with a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 122 horsepower, focusing on efficiency. The Kia Sportage, however, boasts a more robust 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, providing 187 horsepower for a more dynamic ride. The Kicks generally offers better fuel economy, with an EPA estimated 31 city and 36 highway miles per gallon. Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Speaking of getting more out of your day, quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your healthy meals fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Inside, both SUVs prioritize comfort and connectivity, but with different capacities. The Nissan Kicks provides a practical interior with up to 30 cubic feet of cargo space when the rear seats are folded. The Kia Sportage, being a larger compact SUV, offers a more generous 74.1 cubic feet of cargo space with its rear seats flat. Both come standard, with user-friendly touchscreen infotainment systems and smartphone integration. Safety is paramount, and both manufacturers equip their vehicles well. The Nissan Kicks comes standard with Nissan Safety Shield 360, a suite of driver assistance features. The Kia Sportage counters with its Kia Drive Wise system, also offering a comprehensive array of safety technologies. For long-term peace of mind, the Sportage stands out with an impressive 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.